Greetings. Namaste, my brothers and sisters. This is a discussion of oneness. If what I say resonates with you, great. If not, then let it fall away. My goal is to be of service to the whole, and I'm sharing my perspective of oneness in hopes that it is beneficial in applying to your life. This is my perspective. My first exploration into oneness was to understand the Golden Rule. The Golden Rule has been a guiding moral rule for ages. It is based on the divine law of oneness. The law of oneness states that everything and everyone is connected. Everything we do has a ripple effect, which affects the collective. Life is the many and the one. Life is unity in diversity. We are all one. Jesus the Christ talks about the Golden Rule, the law of oneness, in Luke chapter 6, verses 31 through 38. Do unto others as you would have others do unto you. For if you love those who love you, what thanks do you receive? For even sinners love those who love them. And if you do good to those who do good to you, what thanks do you receive? For even sinners do the same. And if you lend to those from whom you hope to receive, what thanks do you receive? Even sinners lend to sinners, to receive as much in return. But love your enemies and do good, and lend, hoping for nothing in return. Then your reward will be great, and you will be the sons of the highest. For he is kind to the unthankful and the evil. Be therefore merciful, even as your Father is merciful. Judge not, and you shall not be judged. Condemn not, and you will not be condemned. Forgive, and you shall be forgiven. Give, and it will be given to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over will men give unto you. For with the measure you use, it will be measured unto you. If you do a search of the Golden Rule at Wikipedia, you will discover that every religion discusses the Golden Rule, which is based on the divine law of oneness. If you go to the website www.goodreads.com/quotes/tag/oneness, you will see thousands of quotes about oneness. Oneness is truth because we are cells in the body of Source, God, our Creator. Here is a passage to support this comment about being cells in the body of Source. This passage is from Romans chapter 12, verses 3 through 8. For by the grace given me, I say to every one of you, do not think of yourselves more highly than you ought, but rather think of yourself with sober judgment, in accordance with the faith God distributed to each of you. For just as each of us has one body with many members, and these members do not all have the same function, so in Christ we, though many, form one body, and each member belongs to all the others. We have different gifts according to the grace given to each of us. If your gift is prophesying, then prophesy in accordance with your faith. If it is serving, then serve. If it is teaching, then teach. If it is to encourage, then give encouragement. If it is giving, then give generously. If it is to lead, do it diligently. If it is to show mercy, do it cheerfully. It is my perspective that our source is both beyond comprehension and form, and also found within all creation. This is what makes Source infinite, both being no form and also being form. We are divine sparks of light in our hearts, and everyone and everything around us also has a divine spark of light within. Our sparks of light merge into a unified field of light at the oversoul or higher self levels. That is why judgment is harmful, because it leads us away from oneness. We are all slices of the same divine truth. We just have our own unique perspectives of the same truth. Be open to others' perspectives. Listen to another without judgment. Remove gossip. Never talk bad about another, because, like Neville Goddard says, we are all mirrors of each other. We reflect each other's qualities, positive and negative. Through looking into another, we see ourselves. If we talk bad about another, we are talking bad about ourselves. If we support another, we support ourselves. If we give another a healthy boundary, we are giving ourselves healthy boundaries. Why can others see you more clearly than you can see yourself? It is because others are not veiled through forgetting. Learn from each other. There is always something to learn from another. See each other as unique, equal, divine sparks of light, equal, beautiful souls on our own unique journeys back to the Creator. Remove all judgment of the five physical senses or the mind and filter your life experiences through the heart. What is another sense organ that we have? Our hearts. Use your heart as your primary sense organ to perceive this dimension. The heart sees beyond the veil of forgetting. See all beings as brilliant sparks of divine light. Honor your brother and sister. They are sacred just as you are. As you honor another, you honor yourself, and the Creator will honor you. That is why humility is important, because through humility we honor the Creator. When another asks for help, then help them to the best of your ability. When you need help, then ask another for help. We all have unique talents and abilities that serve the whole. Let us help each other. Support another through the vibration of love. See opportunities to serve another and lift another up. And that spark of happiness or compassionate comfort you provide to another will return back to you, lifting yourself up. In 2009, after understanding and practicing the Golden Rule, I was lucky to be blessed with an experience of oneness, where I felt bliss and connection with all of life. Everyone and everything were one with me in my heart. As we serve another, we serve ourselves, and we resonate more with the divine law of oneness. Eventually, as you progress in practicing oneness, you will see that Mother Earth, nature, all people, everything is you, that all share the same divine spark of the Creator. Notice that when you are peaceful inside, your outer experiences will become peaceful. When you support others, others will naturally support you. The YouTube channel Intro Books Education has a great video about the law of oneness if you would like to learn more about it. I'll post a link in the description below. Let me know about your experiences with oneness in the comment box below. It is an honor to serve you by sharing this love and wisdom. With deepest gratitude to all of you, my equal brothers and sisters, we are all on equal paths to the Creator. Shine on in your life's experiences. Radiate. Be the love you want to see in the world. From my heart to yours, God bless you all. Namaste.